Looking for the best value? Before you buy any tempered glass case, you need to see this. Here are 2020 ASX's top-rated picks. In this video, I've picked the best tempered glass case of 2026 based on performance, quality, features, and overall value. To save you hours of research, I've compared the top options, checked real user reviews, and narrowed them down to the very best picks. You'll find the latest prices and links in the description below. Subscribe for honest reviews. Now, let's get started. First up, we're checking out the number 1, the Dark Flash ATX Mid-Tower PC case. Offering a breathtaking 270-degree panoramic view, this tempered glass case provides a seamless showcase for your internal lighting and high-end hardware components without any obstructive pillars. It features a modern I/O panel equipped with high-speed USB 3.0 and Type-C ports for rapid data transfers and universal device connectivity for your latest gadgets. Cooling is handled by 4 pre-installed PWM RGB fans, though the chassis can actually house up to 10 fans and a 360mm radiator for peak thermal management. Magnetic dust filters are included on the top and side panels to ensure your system stays pristine, while the anti-slip base provides rock-solid stability. This case is truly designed for enthusiasts who want a clean, full-view display combined with effortless component accessibility and generous cable management space behind the motherboard. The inclusion of these premium features ensures that your high-end build remains both cool and visually spectacular during long gaming sessions. Next, we have the number 2, the Height Mid-Tower ATX Computer Gaming Case. This stunning chassis features a unique 3-piece panoramic tempered glass design that offers a wraparound view of your entire internal system build from every angle imaginable. It includes a premium PCIe 4.0 riser cable to support a massive 4-slot vertical GPU orientation, making your high-end graphics card the true star of the entire show. The innovative cold floor cooling design pulls fresh air from the bottom to optimize thermals for your most power-hungry components during intense gaming marathons. Every detail is premium, from the tactile blue power switch and color-matched canopy to the reusable Velcro straps that simplify the cable management process significantly. Toolless panels and floating storage sleds make the assembly experience incredibly smooth, resulting in a clean, showcase-style computer that effectively highlights your creative hardware choices and meticulous attention to detail. This chassis is perfect for those who want their PC to be a piece of modern art on their desk. The number 3, the Leon ATX Mid-Tower PC Case. This elegant chassis arrives with 4 high-performance 120mm PWM RGB fans already installed, delivering a whisper-quiet yet powerful cooling experience at speeds up to 1,800 revolutions per minute. A truly unique feature is its innovative slanted power supply shroud that doubles as a dedicated display shelf for your favorite collectibles or action figures. Additionally, it supports modern back-connect motherboards and features a vibrant 26 LED light strip for a synchronized, full-spectrum glow across your entire gaming setup. With support for massive GPUs up to 420mm, this build-friendly case makes high-end system maintenance incredibly simple through its convenient tool-less side panels. Builders will truly enjoy the hydraulic bearing fans that provide longevity and smooth operation during long gaming marathons or professional workloads. The extra space provided for oversized components makes this one of the most versatile and builder-friendly options currently available on the market for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Our fourth pick is the NZXT Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case. Engineered specifically for peak airflow, this sleek mid-tower features a specialized perforated power supply shroud designed to provide additional cooling directly to your high-end graphics card. The ultra-fine mesh panels located on the front, top, and sides provide maximum ventilation while acting as a high-quality filter against unwanted dust buildup. It offers incredible liquid cooling flexibility, allowing you to install a large 360mm radiator in the front and a 240mm unit on the top for your CPU. Builders will love the wide routing channels and integrated Velcro straps that make organizing messy cables a breeze for a professional, clutter-free look. Including 2 quiet 120mm fans out of the box, this case is an exceptional foundation for anyone building a high-performance system that demands superior thermal stability and minimalist design. This particular model excels at keeping the latest power-hungry processors cool while maintaining a very sophisticated and clean industrial look that fits any modern workspace. Our final pick, the number 5, the Foifken ATX Mid-Tower Gaming PC Case. Utilizing a sophisticated dual-chamber architecture, this gaming chassis isolates your core components from the power supply to maximize thermal efficiency and create better airflow pathways throughout. It comes fully equipped with 7 pre-installed ARGB fans, including 6 reverse blade units to ensure your internal aesthetics remain clean and completely unobstructed by fan frames. The high-hardness transparent glass panels offer a panoramic view of your hardware, while the spacious interior easily accommodates up to 360mm radiators for extreme water cooling configurations. Designed for serious builders, it supports large ATX motherboards and GPUs up to 400mm long, providing a versatile foundation for any future-ready, high-performance workstation. This dual-chamber design makes hiding your cables effortless, resulting in a cleaner and more professional-looking display for your desk that will surely impress anyone who sees it. The sheer number of included fans provides an incredible value that makes this case a powerhouse for thermal management right out of the box. And that's a wrap. If this video helped you choose the right product, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews, smart finds, and the latest deals. Have a product you want us to review? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned, because the next video might just be your next best purchase. See you in the next one.